Oh boy, it's liquid heart attack time. In here is the liquid heart attack in this extended bottle of Rockstar Punch, but I'm gonna add something new to it. Or not necessarily new, but different. So now... Yes, another can of Rockstar Punched! Now you may be asking, Juice, you dumbass, why do you have 2 bottles of Rockstar Punched? And furthermore, why are you wearing shitty fucking fingerless gloves that make you look like Sans Undertale? Now the answer to that question is because I can. But furthermore, because I want to. Also, need an X-Acto knife. Gotta open this the professional way. And by the professional way, I mean this is the only way I can open it with one hand. This is an important moment in history, because what I am making right now is not just a liquid heart attack, but the liquid heart attack ED edition. That's right, I'm making my fucking object Sona. Ah, shit. Also, yes, that is 2 trucks playing in the background. So let's see. Fuck, I can't open this with one hand. Not with the glove on. Oh shit. It's fucking smoking from the inside. Disgusting. But now here comes a more difficult task. Opening the actual thing with the liquid heart attack in it. So I'm gonna pour the contents of this into that, so I can make the ED heart attack. So now, what do you do, like a professional dumbass? And fill it up so it's coming up to the top. Oh shit, there we go. Y'all see that? But it's disgusting and glorious. The ED heart attack. In all its glory. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk.